tomorrow, these young cadets demonstrate their commitment to unity and national service with every step they take. Their synchronized movements reflect precision, resilience, and dedication to the values that form the backbone of our nation. Following them are the spirited Scouts and Guides, a team that embodies the spirit of adventure, teamwork, and service to society. Always guided by their motto, "Be prepared." They are a shining example of readiness, resourcefulness, and the power of collective effort. Leading the march past are our esteemed sports captains and school pupil leaders who exemplify the values of determination, discipline, and dedication. At the forefront, we have Selvi Harshita Balan, a true inspiration to her peers. Harshita Balan, the great and topper, achieved an outstanding score of 493 marks with 3 centums, showcasing her academic brilliance. She is the proud face of our school, embodying both intellectual and leadership prowess. Here we have Red House Soaring Seagulls. Leading the march, we have Red House Soaring Seagulls, headed by the house captain, Master Danesh from grade 9 and Selvi Serena from grade 11. Here we have the Dynamic Dolphins. Following them, next we have Leaping Lions. Now, the Dynamic Dolphins, led by their house captain, Master Ashwin Kishore and Selvi Chaini. Sports captains and supported by our school pupil leaders. Just like the intelligent and agile dolphins, they showcase teamwork and harmony, inspiring us all. Give a big cheer for the Dynamic Dolphins as they march forward with energy and enthusiasm. Now on track, we have Leaping Lions with their house captain, Master Sarveshwar and Selvi Tanya Maria. Sports captains and school pupil leaders, we have Leaping Lions with their house captain, Master Sarveshwar and Selvi Tanya Maria. Sports captains and school pupil leaders taking the lead. With the strength and courage of a lion's lead, this house exemplifies leadership and the drive to excel. Let's applaud the Leaping Lions as they march with might and majesty. And now we have the Greenhouse Galloping Gazelles with their house captain, Master Hariharan and Selvi Nandana Nachiyar, sports captain and school pupil leaders leading the charge. Graceful yet swift, resilient yet focused, they gallop forward with purpose and pride. Let's hear it for the Galloping Gazelles.
Symbolize the light of spirit, knowledge, and life, which is also the motto to remove darkness and enlighten the every corner of the world. So, without further ado, I ask you all to please rise and join me in welcoming our esteemed chief guest, Padma Shri and Arjuna Awardee, President of Indian Olympic Association, Dr. P.T. Usha, who will now have the honor of lighting the Olympic torch to officially commence this grand celebration of sportsmanship and unity. Please let's give a warm round of applause as Dr. P.T. Usha steps forward to light the torch. The first torchbearer of Olympic flame is Miss Komal, an outstanding player. She participated in MSSC football, taekwondo, badminton. She got a gold medal and also she participated in MSSC athletics. She got individual medal and she participated in cluster taekwondo tournament. She got silver medal and she qualified for national taekwondo tournament. She won 2 rounds and she is one of the best NCC cadet. As a note of appreciation, Ms. Komal is sponsored by our DWBS management. Now it is handed over to Master Mansik, a marvelous sports person, and he participated in MSSC cricket, kabaddi, and also he participated in MSSC athletics. And he participated in cluster taekwondo tournament. He won 2 rounds. Now it is handed over to Miss Yalini, talented sports person. She participated in MSSC football, got runner-up position. And also she participated in cluster taekwondo competition and she won 3 rounds. Now it is handed over to Master Hemendra, a good sports person, and he participated in MSSC Kabaddi, entered into semi-finals and also participated in cluster badminton tournament, got silver medal. The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Ms. Maganya, a competent sports person. She participated in MSSC Kabaddi and football tournament and she got winner-up position. And also she participated in MSSC athletics, 1500 meter and high jump. She got silver medal. Now it is handed over to Master Ashwin Balagurusamy, a proficient sports person. He participated in cluster air rifle shooting. He got 6th position. Now the Olympic torch is passed on to Ms. Lakshita Shri, a good person. She participated in MSSC. Also she participated in MSSC athletics 100 meter, 200 meter. She got silver medal. The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Master Kavin Raj, an excellent sports person. And he participated in MSSC Kabaddi, football, athletic tournament and he got bronze medal in event of long jump and gold medal in relay events. The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Master Akshant Kishore, an outstanding skilled sports person, Blue House captain. He participated in MSSC football tournament and also he participated in MSSC athletic meet. He got gold medal and also he got individual championship in MSSC athletic meet. Finally, the Olympic torch is handed over to our torch. Continue to inspire us all to lead with courage, wisdom and commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Thank you and have a wonderful morning ahead.
Responsibility we hold not only to ourselves but to our teammates and competitors, ensuring that the true spirit of sportsmanship prevails throughout the day. I would now like to invite school head boy Master Deepak Shankar to take the oath on behalf of all the participants. Please rise as we collectively pledge to to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship.
Pledge position. We solemnly swear that abiding by the rules and regulation that govern this event, with the desire to participate with the true spirits of sportsmanship for the honor of a school and the glory to the sports. Order.